In this video, I will show you how to use Priority Speaker on Discord without push-to-talk by having AutoPTT press and release the key for you. First, open up AutoPTT and click on the Device 1 tab. Then select your microphone from the list of devices. Then, you're going to want to make sure that the activation mode is set to voice activity and adjust the activation threshold so that the interface turns green when you speak. Your mic is still active when the color turns yellow, it just means that the sound level is under the threshold and within the release delay. Next, click on the big button to set up the push-to-talk key. You can either press the key on your keyboard or select a special key like F13 from the menu, if you don't want to waste an actual key on your keyboard. Now we can switch over to Discord. Open up the settings and under Voice and Video, make sure input mode is set to push to talk, because the Priority Speaker keybind doesn't actually work in the voice activity mode. Then, under Keybinds, click on Add the keybind and select Push to Talk Priority from the menu. Click on Record Keybind, or if you use the special key, say something and let AutoPTT press the key for you. Finally, try it out by joining a channel and saying something. You should see a dot next to your name as the mic activates. If the dot is missing, it means that you don't have permission to use Priority Speaker because it's only enabled for server admins by default. Please note that AutoPTT is not affiliated with, endorsed by, or sponsored by Discord.